Our lesson for today is about faults, what you need to know. Our objectives are the following. By the end of the lesson, the students are expected to define a fault, describe the appearance of a fault, and explain how a fault is formed. What is a fault? A fault is a thin zone of crushed rock separating blocks of the Earth's crust. When an earthquake occurs on one of these faults, the rock on one side of the fault slips with respect to the other. Faults can be centimeters to thousands of kilometers long. The fault surface can be vertical, horizontal, or at some angle to the surface of the Earth. Faults can extend deep into the Earth and may or may not extend up to the Earth's surface. Here are some examples of the different types of faults. How do we know a fault exists? Past fault movement has brought together rocks that used to be farther apart. Earthquakes in the fault have left surface evidence, such as surface ruptures or fault scarps, cliffs made by earthquakes, and earthquakes recorded by seismographic networks are mapped and indicate the location of a fault. This is an illustration of the different types of faults. As you can see, you there are differences when it comes to how they are being divided. How a fault is formed. A fault is formed in the Earth's crust as a brittle response to stress. Generally, the movement of the tectonic plates provides the stress, and rocks at the surface break in response to this. Faults have no particular length scale. Some plate boundary faults are thousands of kilometers in length. For more information about faults, you can visit https://www.youtube.com/watch. Thank you and hope you enjoy the discussion.